how to connect the digital TV to our BMW Android screen. This is digital TV box. It is for Europe. So I don't connect the TV antenna here in China because it cannot receive any channels in here China. I just made a video demo to tell you how to connect the TV box to Android screen and how to make the setting. Okay, now we have connected the TV box here by the RCA cable. In our accessory, we have a cable named TV in. You need to connect the cable by this one, and the other is red one and white one. Connect to this like this, and the TV box have connected power. So now, first of all, you can go to the setting, factory setting, and choose this one, TV. After that, you need to restart the unit. After you restart the unit, the TV icon will show here in this menu. Click the TV, get into the TV mode here, and we use remote control to operate the TV. Menu. Here you can change the TV format to PIL or ATSC. You can change the language here. Okay. You can click here to